Is the tariff tension gone, and what will be next for Monday's market?
Welcome back, folks. Time to catch up with the market on SoSoValue Crypto Daily. And what a day it is! The market is absolutely roaring back. We've seen a massive 6.78% surge in the last 24 hours, pushing the total crypto market cap back over the $4 trillion mark, closing at a beautiful $4.003 trillion. It's green candles everywhere. Bitcoin is leading the charge, climbing a solid 4.59% to hit $115,000. But the real star of the show today is Ethereum, which absolutely blasted off with a 10.42% gain, smashing through to $4,100. You love to see it. Looking across the sectors, it's a sea of green with some serious double-digit gains. CeFi tokens are up 14%, Layer 2s are flying with a 17% jump, and the AI sector is right there with them, up 15%, thanks to a big rally in TAO. So, what's lighting this fire under the market? The main driver here is a major shift in sentiment coming from the macroeconomic world. Over the weekend, we got some fantastic news on the US-China trade front. First, China's Ministry of Commerce clarified that their new rules on rare earth exports are not a total ban. They stated that eligible companies can still get licenses, which really calmed fears about a global supply chain crisis. Then, from Washington, we heard Vice President Vance talking about President Trump's positive relationship with President Xi and a willingness to negotiate. Trump himself even echoed this on social media. The takeaway? Those intense trade war anxieties that were weighing on everyone, they've pretty much reversed, and that's letting risk assets like crypto breathe and run free. Next up, an important update from Binance. They addressed the recent sharp market dip, confirming it was caused by heavy, concentrated selling from both big institutions and retail traders. Now here's the crucial part. Binance did a full review and confirmed their core systems. The contract and spot matching engines and APIs all held up and remained fully operational. There were some brief technical glitches in a few isolated modules, and yes, some assets like USDE and BNSOL did temporarily depeg, causing some forced liquidations. But here's the key. Binance has already stepped up. They've paid out approximately $283 million in compensation to affected users within 24 hours. That's a huge move and shows they're taking this seriously. They've also promised more compensation is coming for those who had issues with internal transfers or earn product redemptions. It's a tough situation, but seeing a major exchange act this quickly to make users whole is exactly the kind of responsibility we need in this space. In some massive institutional adoption news, Bloomberg is reporting that asset tokenization firm Securitize is in advanced talks to go public. They're looking at a merger with a SPAC, which is a special acquisition company affiliated with Cantor Fitzgerald. If you don't know Securitize, you should. They are the ones providing the on-chain tech for BlackRock's Build Fund. Yes, that BlackRock. This is a huge signal that tokenizing real-world assets is moving from a cool concept to a mainstream financial reality. Now, the sources do say the deal isn't final and Securitize could still choose to stay private, but just the fact these talks are happening at this level is incredibly bullish for the entire tokenization space. Finally, a quick security update from the meme coin world. The issuance platform Four.Meme announced on X that they've been dealing with what they call an on-chain pollution attack. Basically, bad actors trying to clog up their system. To fight this and keep the platform healthy, they're rolling out a new requirement. From now on, anyone issuing a new token will need to make a 0.01 BNB deposit. The platform says if they manually review a token and find it's malicious, they'll confiscate that deposit and use the funds to support community developers. While the community has had some mixed reactions, it's a proactive step to improve security and filter out the junk, which is ultimately a good thing for the health of the BNB ecosystem. That's a wrap for today's update. Catch you tomorrow, same time, same place. Cut through the chaos. Focus on what drives the crypto market. Stay on top of crypto research, all in one place at sosovalue.com.